adding new activities or workouts into your plan for 2024, I wanted to mention or offer a couple of points that might be helpful to think through as you're integrating in these new activities. Hi, I'm Dr. Zach Ratliff from TruMotion Therapy, where we specialize in the conservative management of musculoskeletal pain and injuries. First off, props to you for wanting to integrate in new activities or workouts into your 2024 plan. Whether that is running a 5K, running a half marathon for the first time, trying out mountain biking, or trying your first CrossFit class. All of those things are incredible, and we want you to be able to do them in the most sustainable way. So one of the first points I want to mention is sometimes our early enthusiasm for a new sport or activity allows us to overdo it a little bit too much too soon. Sometimes what we see with these is what we'd consider our overuse injuries, such as, our tendonitis or kind of those aches and pains, a lot of muscle soreness, those types of things. When we're integrating in a new activity, we want to gradually move through that in a way that allows our body to have optimum recovery in between sessions, but also allow time for our tendons and muscles to adequately strengthen and handle those new activities. In the early stages of a new activity or workout or sport, whatever we're adding in, we want to emphasize the point that consistency is more important than intensity initially. What we mean by that is we need to allow the body proper recovery time in between to adapt to those new stresses that are being placed on it. So in order to stack progress in a very linear way so that we can get to that squat PR that you're trying to get to in the gym, or increase your running mileage, whatever it may be for you in particular, we want to make sure that we can have you training consistently, more importantly than hitting one workout super hard and then having to take 4 or 5 days off to recover because you're too sore for that next training session. Maybe find a practitioner that specializes in musculoskeletal health so that when these small aches, pains, whatever may come your way, that we can advise along the way what things might be productive to push through versus when some aches or pains might actually be a little bit counterproductive for your goals in the long run. The last tip that I'd like to offer is building a good team around you in order to help you meet your goals or continue doing your new workout or activity that you're integrating in. So what that might look like is finding a coach in that particular discipline so that they can advise on some of the progressions. You might want to find some workout partners or a group that is doing that activity together. Shared resources, different experience levels, all of that can be helpful. I hope you found these tips helpful, but if you do find yourself still in need of some help, please feel free to check out our website at TruMotionTherapy.com in order to find more resources, as well as the ability to schedule an appointment.